Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add email to this, how to add a product image in the sales email. Okay, so first of all we will check what first of all we will install the mod install the email. Currently email is not there, so we will go and check with the Mage Plaza SMTP. Okay, GitHub. We need to download the SMTP first. So you need to add the composer this. So let's go, and this is not, this is, so let's go sudo composer require smtp. Okay, so we're installing this module first. Done. Let's check with the following commands: decompile, upgrade. This is done. Let's paste another command. This is done. Let's move to the next command. Var generated. Paste. Let's check with the email configuration. We need to configure the emails. So go to the stay stores configuration. We have Mage Plaza extension SMTP module not activated. Register name Rajnikant mail. Activate the extension. General configuration, yes. SMTP load Gmail. So login username. Correct. Password. Path Magento developer 1993 @gmail.com. Save it. Let me check my email. Okay, fine. Let's go to the configuration. This is done. Okay, let's check the test email. Is it working or not? Send the test email. Send it to Magento developer 1993 test now. Username is not accepted. Okay. Okay. Let's check with settings. Go to the my account. I think, let me log in the private window. Gmail. Sign in. Next we can add the, okay, might be the reason. I think the password I have putting wrong. Okay, let's send the email. Again wrong. Let me do the settings. So let's add my account, manager account, security, Google will automatically turn this off. Okay, let's check again and unlock captcha. Okay, next we can check now this one, test now. Email is sent successfully, so email is working now. Fine. Next, go to the sales order, sales orders, sorry, stores configuration. We have sales, or we have sales emails, and we have to go with the product image settings. Add product image, yes, height 135 pixels and 135 pixels. Save this product image settings and let's place an order, and if it is there, okay, so let's add to the cart this product. Proceed to checkout, login, login with the current account, add this, next, next. I think the email is not, I have added, he here you can say that sales email, and items. Let's create an account and check. I'm going to log out this account, sign in with the test account. First name Rajnikant, last name Choudhary. Here Rajni90 @mailinator.com. Password, you can take this password. Okay, create an account. Rajni90 @mailinator. Okay, let's create order. Gear bags, add to the cart, checkout, E, anything, 4 1 2 3 4 5, phone number, this, next, place order, mailinator, Rajni90, sales owner. You will see that the product image is there, right? So we have successfully implemented how to show the product image in the sales email. So let's go to the code level. Okay, So here, let's go to the code. We have this one block etc view and registration.php. In the block, we have step by step. First etc module.xml di.xml for the overriding the model. So here I am overriding the default order page with my block default order, like product sales email block default order. So here we have, if you go to the this one block default order.php, so here we are just taking the config model, right, what the email is set. After this we have to go with the system.xml for the default settings, which we have already done this. So you can check the code. To add the column, you need to add this section id, and rest of the part we have added. Next we have da.xml done. View, front end, layout, that is sales email order, and here we are just adding our template, that is email items order default.html. And here you can see that in templates email or items order and default.html, and here we have just added, just copy and paste from the default html and just add here item image product image url, right? So to getting the image and to getting the image, so what we have done is we have just image height image width we have taken out, and image helper we have calling catalog image helper, and we will get the item image from that helper, right? So the image helper, you can see current image helper with the height and width we are getting in, and we are passing the product image url into this one variable item image, right? So it will print the image into that sales order email. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. And with the help of this, you can easily add the product image in the sales order email successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.